guys, sa Fiesta Market. Marami kayong mabibili dito na pasalubong. No, it's not there. It's not enough. It's not fit. Ba yung English ko, mga pakwa? Ayan. Di ba? Marami kayong mabibili doon. Just walk. Oh my God. See? Marami kayong mabibili dito. So mamaya, bibili na naman si boss. Marami. Bread. So ayan, maraming nagbebenta dito ngayon guys. Ito yung mga bazaar. Ay, may dress. O ayan, tingnan nyo, gusto daw niya isuot yan. You want to fit on that?
Do you want one?
No, I don't. I don't like. So marami nagbebenta dito guys. So, yung mga gusto yun. Oh, glance. No, I don't like. Maybe you buy one sack for Nathan.
The reindeer and the dog.
It's only one. Oh, maybe the Santa Claus will give you some.
Yes, how much?
Magkano isa dito?
300 na.
It's 300.
Okay. Well, which? That one? And the dog one.
Ay, lagyan mo ng name?
Puntahan. Free name nga.
Yeah, free name. They put name.
Okay.
Which one? So, yan, bili kayo.
300. Free name.
The reindeer or the dog?
Pili kayo mas.
I don't know. You're asking me?
Or the Santa Claus?
Maybe Santa Claus.
Okay, Santa Claus.
Yung Santa Claus. So, ayan guys. Mag Santa Claus tayo.
Ate, dito.
Yung Santa Claus din. Which one?
I thought there was a Santa Claus.
Yung parang may balbas.
Oh, but it's a small
Ayan,
one.
yan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Is that the one you want? Or?
I don't know.
Chat mo nga. Wala akong load. Sa kanila, dito sa akin.
Maybe that reindeer.
Ang arte no ng... So yan, 300 isa.
Will you write his name down?
What's the name?
Nathan?
It's on 2 or...
Balikan.
Ah, sige, pag
Sulat na lang po. Isa lang?
Ayan, 300.
Put them on the dog one.
That's enough. Ayan.
Kaya sa dito.
With free name na siya, guys.